Hi guys, my name is Anumayaki, the lead formulator at Diesel Organics. Today, I want to teach you how to make a non-greasy body scrub. You know, usually you make your body scrub and it's all slimy and greasy because you have too much shea butter. Well, today you'll learn how to make one that'll make your skin glowing and will keep your skin bright. So to start with, I need my gloves. I need to protect myself. This is a very safe procedure, however. It doesn't hurt to be safe. So if you have gloves, I generally use one because my right hand is my active hand. So I have that. And the next step is to sterilize. You do not want bacteria. You don't want to play with that kind of nasties. So I have alcohol here. It's nothing serious. It's just plain alcohol. If you want to be exotic, you can use vodka. So I just sterilize all my equipment before I start. Now, because it's alcohol, it evaporates, so I don't have anything to worry about, but I have a clean cloth here that I use to clean up. Now, I have sterilized equipment. The first step I want to do is my shea butter. Ooh, I have a digital scale as well. So professionally, you should weigh everything, but I'll leave that to you to decide how you want to do it. So I have my scale. Oops. Firstly, shea butter. I weigh everything I do. I have a whole book for doing this. So I'm using 40 grams of shea butter. That goes in here. Now, if you don't know how to use your scale well, I would advise you to get one that's digital because then you don't have the headache. So I have 40 grams of shea butter there. Next up, I'm using 10 grams of sunflower oil. Again, you can use any carrier oil you have. I have 10 grams there. And then glycerine, I'm using 10 grams as well. Now, these are all calculated, so just follow it. It works well, trust me. So we have 10 grams of that. The next thing I'm going to do is whip with my hand mixer. This is a really good thing to have at home. A lot of people have this that they don't use at home, so this is when you use it. However, if you're going to use this for skincare, please do not use it for anything else. So bear in mind that once you use this for this, forget about your cakes and your cookies. It is only meant for whipping. So I'm going to go ahead and whip this. And that's all I need to do. After that's done, so up next, I'm going to put in my essential oil. For this, these essential oils come with droppers, so you just need about 5 drops of it. Just something to make it smell nice. You don't necessarily have to weigh it because it's in really, really little quantity. My total size here is about 200 grams, so all I need is about 5 drops. Mix all of that together. Now remember, I have my sugar and coffee already here, and these go in as well. Oops, get all of that out. Now it's important to get all your sugar out because it all adds to the formula. Now I have that, and we just mix. Now that looks like it's come together already, and we're pretty much good. But because it's whipped, I'm gonna just give it a little bit of whip to get my shea butter all together again. Now, if you notice, I keep doing this at the end. Doing this at the end, it helps you clean your mixer, so you don't have a lot of rubbish stuck on it. So there you go. And that's your body scrub. Now, I'm going to take a part of this out and just leave it here before I add the last ingredient. I'm going to leave a little bit here. You'll see why in a bit. And lastly, I'm going to add my black soap. I don't have to weigh this. I just need a little bit. Just add that to it. And then mix it together. Now, because I just added my black soap, I may want to mix it again because I have some big chunks. But I think I'm fine. I think this is fine. So the reason I separated this is to do a quick test for you, to show you the non-greasiness. So I'll get my water. I have a bowl of water here to show you how it works. So if I take the first one that has no black soap, if I put that on my skin, put some water and wash, I have a lot of greasiness. Can you see that? It's very, very greasy, and I don't want that. I can't leave my skin like that. But if I test this that I've just done, that has the black soap, if I put this on my skin, now look at the difference. The black soap is taking away the grease. However, I still have the body scrub doing what it should do. Now, if I rinse this off, I need a bit more. That first one there. So because I have this, I may want to add a bit more black soap. So that is where the non-greasiness comes, and that's where your black soap is important. So if I add a bit more black soap, then we have all of this gone. But that's the whole point of the black soap. And that's how you make your non-greasy body scrub. Now, if you would like to get any of these ingredients at great prices, you can follow us on Instagram at These Organics or on Facebook. Also, for more tutorials, please stay tuned to this channel.